The perfect banana cake. Ingredients for banana cake: 1 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 2 large eggs, 4 ripe bananas, mashed, 1/4 cup plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 of a teaspoon salt. Instructions. 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9-inch round cake pan. 2. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the sugar and butter until light and fluffy using a hand mixer or a stand mixer on medium speed. 3. Add the eggs, each in turn, beating great after every option. 4. Add the pounded bananas, yogurt, and vanilla concentrate to the bowl and blend until all around joined. 5. In a different bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking pop, and salt. 6. Steadily add the dry fixings to the wet fixings, blending on low speed until recently consolidated. 6. Don't overmix. 7. Prepare in the preheated broiler for 40 to 45 minutes, or until a toothpick embedded into the focal point of the cake confesses all. 8. Eliminate the cake from the broiler and let it cool in the prospect minutes. Then, at that point, move it to a wire rack to totally cool. Once the cake is completely cooled, you can frost or glaze it if desired, or simply dust it with powdered sugar before serving. Enjoy your homemade banana cake. It's a perfect treat for any time of the year, and it's sure to be a hit with family and friends. How to decorate and serve the delicious banana cake. Here are some ideas for decorating and serving your delicious banana cake. 1. Creamy frosting. You can frost your banana cake with a creamy frosting to add an extra layer of flavor and sweetness. 1. Cream cheese frosting, vanilla buttercream, or even a simple whipped cream frosting would complement the banana flavor nicely. 1. You can spread the frosting evenly on top of the cake using a spatula or a piping bag to create decorative swirls. 2. Fresh banana slices. Thinly sliced bananas can make a beautiful and tasty decoration for the top of your banana cake. 2. Arrange the slices in a circular pattern on top of the frosting for an attractive presentation. 3. Chopped nuts. Chopped nuts, such as walnuts or pecans, can add crunch and visual appeal to your banana cake. 3. Simply sprinkle the chopped nuts on top of the frosting or along the edges of the cake for an extra texture and nutty flavor. 4. Dust with powdered sugar. You can also dust the top of your banana cake with powdered sugar for a simple and elegant finishing touch. 4. Use a sieve or a fine mesh strainer to evenly sprinkle a light dusting of powdered sugar over the top of the cake for a classic look. 5. Serve with whipped cream or ice cream. To take your banana cake to the next level, you can serve it with a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream. 5. The creamy and cold contrast with the warm banana cake can be a delightful combination. 6. Garnish with fresh mint or berries. Fresh mint leaves or berries, such as strawberries or blueberries, can add a pop of color and freshness to your banana cake. 6. Simply arrange them on top of the cake or around the serving plate for a visually appealing presentation. Remember to always let the frosting or any other toppings set before slicing and serving the cake. These decorating ideas can make your banana cake not only delicious in taste but also visually appealing, making it a perfect dessert for special occasions or gatherings. Enjoy your beautifully decorated banana cake. Tips and tricks to make this delicious banana cake. Certainly. Here are some additional tips and tricks to make sure your banana cake is as delicious as possible. 1. Use very ripe bananas. As mentioned earlier, using ripe bananas is crucial for a moist and flavorful banana cake. 1. The natural sugars in ripe bananas not only add sweetness but also help to keep the cake moist. 1. Look for bananas with brown spots on the skin, as they indicate that the bananas are ripe and will mash easily. 2. Drain excess liquid from mashed bananas. If the mashed bananas are too watery, it can affect the texture of the cake. 2. After mashing the bananas, you can place them in a fine mesh strainer or wrap them in a clean cloth and gently squeeze out any excess liquid before adding them to the batter. 3. Use buttermilk or yogurt. Adding buttermilk or yogurt to the batter can help to improve the texture of the cake. 3. The acidity in buttermilk or yogurt reacts with the baking soda to create a lighter and fluffier texture in the cake. 3. You can use either buttermilk or plain yogurt in equal amounts as a substitute for each other in the recipe. 4. Sift dry ingredients. Sifting the dry ingredients, such as flour, baking powder, and baking soda, can help to remove any lumps and ensure the even distribution of the leavening agents. 4. This can result in a smoother and more even texture in the cake. 5. Do not overbake. Overbaking can result in a dry and crumbly cake. 5. Be sure to check the cake for doneness as it approaches the recommended baking time. 5. Insert a toothpick into the center of the cake, and if it comes out with a few crumbs clinging to it, the cake is done. 5. Remove it from the oven promptly to prevent overbaking. 6. Let the cake cool before slicing. Allow the banana cake to cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. 6. This allows the cake to set and firm up, making it easier to slice without falling apart. By following these tips and tricks, you can ensure that your banana cake is moist, tender, and has a perfect texture for a truly delicious dessert. Enjoy your scrumptious homemade banana cake. Enjoy the deliciousness of the perfect banana cake today. Absolutely. With the homemade banana cake recipe, tips, and decorating ideas, you're all set to bake and enjoy the deliciousness of a perfect banana cake today. Whether it's for a special occasion or just a treat for yourself and your loved ones, the moist and flavorful banana cake is sure to delight your taste buds. So grab your apron, preheat your oven, and get ready to indulge in the scrumptiousness of a homemade banana cake. Happy baking and enjoy!